So let's see how to use a logical operator OR, okay, in C program. So learning logical operator OR in C programming. Okay, how to use it we are going to discuss. So first include the standard input output header file. Okay, as we are going to use printf statement, this header file is needed, and then open void main function. So in that only we'll write the program. Okay, so this program is, in this program we are going to check whether a student is pass or not. Okay, so if the student is passed in test 1 or in test 2, okay, in any one of the tests if he is passed, he is passed. Okay, this is also a comment statement. Using double slash also you can create the comment statement. So now let's create a C program mark in test 1. Okay, and C program marks in test 2. Okay, C program mark in test 1 of a student, out of 50 he has got 45. Okay, and C program mark in test 2 he got 20. Okay, he got some 18 marks. Okay, he's not well, so he scored very less mark, let us assume like that. Okay, so now if, okay, the student has scored C program mark, okay, in the test 1, okay, if he has scored greater than or equal to 20, 20 is the pass mark. Okay, so if he has scored greater than or equal to 20 in the test 1, or if he has scored in test 2, okay, if he has scored greater than or equal to 20, okay, in any one of the tests if he has scored greater than or equal to 20, then that student is passed. Okay, the student is passed in C program test. Okay, if that is the criteria, if they follow in particular college, no, in one in test 1 or in test 2, if in any one of the tests if the student is passed, then he is passed. Okay, else in both the tests if he has scored very less marks, no, then we have to print that the student is failed. Okay, so now let's run it. So in the first test he scored 45, in the second test he scored 18. Okay, in any one of the tests if he has scored pass, then he's passed. Okay, that's the criteria. Okay, now let's see, let's give in another test also, one student has not studied for both the tests. He's supposed to get about 20, but he has not studied well, so in 3 or 2 marks he got less marks. So now let's see whether he is passed or not. In test 1 also he didn't score greater than 20, in test 2 also he has not scored greater than or equal to 20, so the student is failed. That's the output. So hope you have learnt about, here we have used OR. For the logical operator OR we will use double vertical bar symbol. Okay, so to combine the condition, first condition one parenthesis, second condition one parenthesis, so to combine both the conditions one parenthesis we have to use. Okay, hope this is clear for you how to use logical operator, double that bar symbol, no, that is OR symbol. How to use it in the C program you have learned, I believe.